Hi guys, hope you are doing well. And you know what? Around 6 o'clock in the morning, when I was doing my regular workout, after running for 2 rounds, obviously I got exhausted. And then I started walking. And when I was walking, in front of me at the distance of approximately 2 hands, two uncles were walking. And they are talking about different type of breads, rices, like brown rice, white rice. So I just thought, why not to clear the confusion between the two? Which one is better? Is brown rice is better than white rice? If yes, then why we are preferring white rice instead of brown rice? And more importantly, why brown rice failed in India? Let's find out together in this video. So hello guys, my name is Shreyans. I'm a third year student of BTech Food Technology, and on this YouTube channel you will get all information regarding food technology and its application. So if you end up liking this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon for the future updates. Okay, so let's consider the rice plant. When rice grain is harvested, it is called paddy, and we have to make sure that paddy is a complete seed of rice, consists of many layers. The outermost layer is called husk, and when we remove the husk, which is called dehusking or hulling, obviously with the help of rubber roller dehusker, in which the rubber roller rotate in the opposite direction and rub the paddy, and as a result we get brown rice as a whole grain. Awesome, right? Which consists of bran, endosperm, germ, and here comes the important part. Bran layer is generally composed of fibers, vitamins, proteins, fat, and you know what? The most nutritious part of the grain is the bran layer. And endosperm consists of carbohydrate along with some protein. Again, if we remove the bran layer, the germ, then the polished one is called white rice, which is clearly not as much nutritious as brown rice, because all the nutritious part like bran is removed to obtain white rice. So clearly brown rice is better than white rice because it contains all the part, which means whole part of the grain, which is rich in nutrients and fibers. But here, in the case of brown rice, nobody gives a damn. Some of the fitness expert is also not recommending to have brown rice in the diet, especially in India. I don't know about other countries. You know why? Because it consists of a lot of fiber, which is difficult to digest for everyone. It requires a lot of time during cooking, hence also require a lot of energy. Aroma is not good, the color is not eye pleasing, the taste is also not good. But again, it depends upon the personal preferences. I cannot comment on that. Okay, so these are the reason, but we have to make sure that these are not the only reason. Because in any food product which is having good nutrient content, then obviously anyone will prefer that food. But in the case of rice, it is totally invalid. I will tell you why. See, whenever we are talking about rice, we are not consuming only and only rice in our meal. Along with that, we are consuming pulses, vegetable, meat, and a lot more. You got the point, right? So here the nutrient is not only from rice, it is the mixture of all these food products, and that's the reason why very few people are consuming brown rice in India. So hope you got all the point. If yes, like this video, share this video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Take care guys.